Commercial Concrete Pumping Stamford Connecticut supports offices, retail build-outs, warehouses, and multi-unit developments with dependable concrete placement. Stamford Connecticut. A concrete pump truck Stamford Connecticut and boom pump Stamford Connecticut make it easier to move ready-mix pumping Stamford Connecticut into elevated, tight, or hard-to-access areas with precise concrete pouring and efficient concrete transfer. For contractors needing commercial concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, concrete pumping contractors with the right concrete pumping equipment can handle foundation concrete pumping in Stamford Connecticut, slab pouring Stamford Connecticut, and large-scale concrete delivery support across Stamford Connecticut and Lower Fairfield County. Businesses searching for a local concrete pumping company Stamford Connecticut, licensed concrete pump contractors Stamford Connecticut, or affordable concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut often need same-day concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut and fast concrete pour Stamford Connecticut for schedule-sensitive jobs. Residential concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut is ideal for homes that need driveway concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, patio concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, sidewalk concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, pool deck concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, and retaining wall concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut. With line pumping concrete and pump hose setup designed for tighter access, homeowners in Stamford Connecticut can get smooth concrete placement service without the mess and disruption of traditional methods. Stamford Concrete Pump Crews help with concrete placement Stamford Connecticut for additions, garage slabs, walkways, and backyard upgrades, while concrete pumping services can improve concrete delivery support on jobs where wheelbarrows or direct chute access are not practical. For residential projects, a concrete pump truck and experienced concrete pumping contractors deliver controlled, efficient concrete transfer and reliable results. Foundation concrete pumping in Stamford, Connecticut is a key solution for basements, footings, and structural pours that demand consistency, speed, and accurate placement. A Stamford Connecticut concrete pump service can move ready-mix concrete pumping into foundation forms with less waste and less labor than manual handling. For new construction and renovations, Concrete Pumping Stamford Connecticut supports concrete delivery support, precise concrete pouring, and clean pump hose setup that helps the crew maintain flow during critical stages. Whether the project is a residential foundation or a larger build in Fairfield County, concrete pumping services from a local concrete pumping company Stamford Connecticut can improve turnaround and reduce delays on foundation concrete pumping, slab concrete pumping, and related Stamford Connecticut construction concrete pumping work. Sidewalk concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut and slab concrete pumping are common needs for property owners, builders, and municipal projects across Stamford, Connecticut. Using Stamford Connecticut line pumping and a concrete pump truck Stamford Connecticut can make narrow access jobs simpler, especially when there are fences, landscaping, or existing structures in the way. Concrete placement Stamford Connecticut for sidewalks, curbs, walkways, and slab pouring Stamford Connecticut benefits from ready-mix pumping Stamford Connecticut because the material arrives where it is needed with efficient concrete transfer and better finish control. For anyone comparing concrete pumping services, Stamford Connecticut Concrete Services, or concrete pumping contractors, the ability to handle sidewalk concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut and slab concrete pumping with accuracy is a major advantage. Patio concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, pool deck concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, and driveway concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut often require flexible access and dependable boom pump service. A concrete pump truck can place concrete over obstacles, around landscaping, and into forms without tearing up the property, which is especially useful for residential concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut in dense neighborhoods. Stamford Connecticut concrete services that include concrete placement service, concrete delivery support, and ready-mix concrete pumping can help produce cleaner edges and more uniform surfaces. For homeowners and builders seeking concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, a licensed team offering affordable concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut and same-day concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut can make patio and driveway jobs much easier from start to finish. Bridgeport to Concrete Pumping Stamford Connecticut, Fairfield County Concrete Pumping, and Lower Fairfield County Concrete Services are often requested by crews working across busy job sites and fast-moving schedules. A Stamford concrete pump service with boom pump Stamford Connecticut capability and line pumping concrete options can support local projects from downtown Stamford to surrounding Connecticut communities. Concrete Pumping Stamford Connecticut is especially valuable when contractors need concrete placement Stamford Connecticut for commercial concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, residential concrete pumping, and foundation concrete pumping in Stamford Connecticut without delays. With a local concrete pumping company Stamford Connecticut, contractors can keep ready-mix pumping Stamford Connecticut moving efficiently, coordinate concrete delivery support, and maintain faster pours on projects throughout Stamford Connecticut and nearby service areas. Retaining wall concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut and pool deck concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut demand controlled delivery, especially when access is limited or forms are complicated. Concrete pumping equipment and skilled pump hose setup help ensure precise concrete pouring into wall cavities, narrow pads, and irregular layouts. For landscape upgrades and structural outdoor work, concrete pumping services can improve concrete transfer on jobs involving retaining wall concrete pumping, patio concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, sidewalk concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, and driveway concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut. Contractors who need concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, boom pump service, or Stamford Connecticut line pumping often choose licensed concrete pump contractors Stamford CT for cleaner handling, better placement, and less manual labor on site. Same-day concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, fast concrete pour Stamford Connecticut, and affordable concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut are priorities for builders who need reliable scheduling in Stamford Connecticut. A concrete pump truck, concrete pumping contractors, and modern concrete pumping equipment can reduce downtime on residential concrete pumping, commercial concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut, and foundation concrete pumping in Stamford Connecticut. From concrete placement service and concrete delivery support to efficient concrete transfer and ready-mix concrete pumping, the right Stamford Connecticut concrete pump service helps keep projects moving. For anyone searching for Stamford Connecticut concrete services, Concrete Pumping Stamford Connecticut, or Stamford Connecticut line pumping, a licensed local team can handle boom pump Stamford Connecticut needs, slab pouring Stamford Connecticut, and driveway concrete pumping Stamford Connecticut with dependable results.